This is where our washing machine usually goes. There's nothing there right now, it's empty. It's so sad. But our washer dryer combo unit that we use every day for 4.5 years went out on us. So we ordered a new one and it's been a whole fiasco trying to get one delivered here because we live in the middle of nowhere and the company mislabeled it. And anyways, we're hoping to have one here in the next week or two, even though it's been 8 weeks. This is our utility and laundry area. It's in our kitchen, and I always thought that's crazy if you have a washer and dryer in your kitchen. Like, I always thought that was a terrible idea, like I would hate it, but it's really not a big deal because this is like sort of separate from our kitchen, and it's not as, I don't know, it's just not as bad as I thought it was having a washer and dryer in my kitchen. I think mainly because I have a landing place over the washing machine to fold and do things like that. So there's a place to do it. I'm not just all in the kitchen doing stuff. But let's talk about the last cabinet over here on the other side of our fridge. This is our utility cabinet, and down here is where we keep our trash in. It's a little slide out deal right here. It just slides in and out really nicely. And we also keep our step stool right next to it. So there's a nice spot for that there. Yeah, it just hides behind a little cabinet, which I love. I hate having a trash can in the middle of the kitchen. So we added that. This is our utility area. We have this fun little hanging container here on the inside of the door that just closes so nicely in there, but this is where we keep all of our cleaning rags, gloves, and little long tool, little things that you need all the time. There's one large shelf area here, and there's a smaller tiny shelf right here above our trash can. This tiny shelf has like gloves, our giant container of salt, and like mopping supplies and some shoe cleaning supplies that are in the back there. On this shelf, we have our stick vacuum. There's a plug-in in the back of this cabinet so that we can keep our vacuum charged. And then in the very back is our steam mop that we use to clean our floors. And along here we have some cleaning supplies, some hooks to hang things on. This is where I keep a few tools in the house, like a tape measure, some scissors, and a screwdriver. So those come in really handy. You don't have to go find the tools. And then we have these fun slide out shelves. So you can grab whatever you need from the back of the cabinet. This is where we keep all of our cleaning sprays, gloves, cloths, I don't know, random stuff. So we have 2 of those that we keep stuff in. And then there's a hook in the top in case we want to hang things from it, like a fly swatter or something like that, or apron or whatever you want to hang from the top there. So that is a great place to keep all of those tall things. And over here above our washing machine, I had them install a countertop that matches our kitchen because I wanted a space to stand above the washing machine and be able to fold laundry up, put it in a little basket, and off to the room to get put away. So I have our laundry soap, OxiClean, this little laundry bucket right here for all the dirty towels from kitchen and cleaning and whatnot that just sits up there. So above the washing machine, I love having this hanging rack because we can hang all of our hang to dry items right above the washing machine and then put them away. And on the shelf above that, we have storage for extra things like bleach. These are all of our aprons for the kitchen. And then a few extra appliances that we don't use very often, like my Elvister pan, a tiny waffle maker, and our grill basket.